These instructions may vary slightly depending on your model. Secure Print helps you keep confidential documents from falling into the wrong hands. Open the document that you want to print. Click the File menu and then select Print. Select your printer. Open the Printer Properties or Preferences dialog box. Click the Advanced tab. Click Settings in the Secure Print section. Select the Secure Print checkbox. Type your 4-digit password in the password field. You can specify either your operating system's default name or a custom user job name to retrieve your document. Click OK. Click OK again. Print your document. Press Secure Print. You may have to swipe left or right, or press the left or right arrow keys to display this option. Select your username. Select your document. Enter your 4-digit password and then press OK. Enter the number of copies you want. Press Start. The device prints your document.